All right, I had a couple questions on whenever you're riding the ski, how do you put the WavesRX bumpers on? So whenever you approach a dock, you just gotta open your front compartment, lean over the handlebars, and I'm gonna show you on the ski how I do it also, but it's just easier to show you off the ski. So you'll pull these bumpers out. I normally just set one in the footwell. They just unvelcro like that. You'll just drop it down, hook it, put it in a little tab like that. And then while you're still on the ski, you'll do the same thing for the back. You just unvelcro there, let it drop down, come up here, hook it, and that's it. And then you would just approach the dock like normal. Also, I've mentioned it before, but if you don't have these little WavesRX tabs, it makes it much easier to attach these bumpers. And not just the bumpers, but anything you want to put on there. You can put dock lines. I mean, it takes a matter of minutes to install it. You just unscrew this bolt here. It's already got a hole drilled into these little tabs here. You just screw the bolt back in. I have them on the front and in the rear. They only cost a few dollars, and you can get them on Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description, but it's a must for the ski. This is the third ski I've put these on, and I love them. It's the first thing I do whenever I get another ski. Alright, so as you saw, it was fairly easy to put those two bumpers on while you're still sitting on the ski. Now all you're going to do is idle up to the dock, tie off like you normally would. Don't have to worry about scratches or anything on your ski. They're not going to come off, so you're good to leave the ski. So that's going to wrap up the video. I'm going to leave a link to all the products in the description, and thanks for watching.